We may all be superheroes, but born without superpowers. I recently had groin surgery, so I was super happy to have this support aid. I'm Nicole Semmrich, and I work as a radiographer at Rheinland Klinikum Neuss.
Ich bin Natalie Kondziela.
I am Natalie, Kondziela, and I am the head radiographer here in the Radiology Department. On a routine day, we perform around 40 examinations. In addition, there are patients coming in during late shifts and from the emergency services.
Die Patienten, die zu uns kommen,
The patients who come to us are in-hospital patients, and they are often brought to us in their bed. Many of these patients are not able to stand up on their own, but need to be repositioned or need assistance to get onto the examination table.
genau, dann kommen wir ins Spiel.
That's where we come in. We have to reposition the patient or simply help them stand up and transfer them. Depending on the patient's weight, we needed between 2 and 4 staff members. And the patients couldn't really help at all. There was nothing they could hold on to.
Wir haben Kollegen, die
We have colleagues who have back problems. We have staff members who have already suffered a slipped disc. You definitely feel the impact of that.
aus heutiger Perspektive
From today's perspective, I can't imagine working without the get-up system from Febromed anymore.
Anfang des Jahres
At the beginning of the year, 2 new CTs were installed at our facility. And as part of the renovation, the patient stand-up aids from Febromed were integrated as well. It's mounted on the ceiling. When the patient is brought in on a bed, the bed is positioned next to the table, and we can then easily swing the arm over the bed using a pull cord. That's very easy. Anyone can do it.
The patient can hold on to the handle above and actively support us while being transferred onto the table. This allows us to work in a way that's much easier on our backs.
In the past, patients would look up and think, okay, there's nothing up here. I can't hold on to anything. Now they look up and say, I've got a handle. That's great. I can pull myself up.
wirklich ein kleiner Griff.
Truly, a small handle and a big impact.